Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we wanted to show you some things to bring on a cruise that may not be as obvious as, say, sunblock and clothing. The links to each of these items are down below, so check them out. We have included them below the video. So the first thing we would suggest you bring on a cruise are sanitizing wipes. Make sure they work on your hands so you can wipe your hands as well, because then they can double as a wipe for tabletops, seats, whatever you want to wipe off before you use it. The first thing we did when we got into our stateroom is to wipe down remote controls and all the surfaces with this wipe, so that way we could at least do away with some of the germs. So this helped us a lot, both for our hands and for different surfaces. These are great. Second thing is, there's plenty of entertainment on the ship, but if you wanted to hole up in your room and be quiet for a little bit and spend some family time together, bring some games on your own. We've got Uno and we've got Mini Monopoly. It comes with all the little parts, the dice, even the little game pieces, and of course your hotels and houses, and of course a small version of the money. This was a great way for us to spend some time in the room just as a family, without having to be out and about and dealing with all the other people as well, which is also fun, but again, sometimes you just need some time to yourself. The third thing is going to be a lanyard to keep your various documents with you on the ship. So the main thing we would use this lanyard for is for our room key, which also doubles as a credit card on board. So if you want to buy yourself a drink at the bar or maybe eat at a specialty restaurant, they use this card to charge your room account, and then and then it's of course linked to your real credit card. So this is a very useful item to carry around. It goes around your neck, of course, and so if you're sitting down at the pool or if you're in the dining room and you get up, you don't want to have to worry about gathering up all your stuff. Your room key is already around your neck, and it's one less thing to worry about when you are out and about the ship, and of course when you get off the ship. The next thing we wanted to look at is these little metal links. These are great for keeping hand sanitizer little bottles attached to you, to your belt loop, or maybe to a loop on your backpack. It's also great for keeping your cameras attached to you. They're just a great all-around multi-purpose tool, and they're wonderful for keeping things from getting lost. The next thing is going to be these packing cubes. This is a 14-day cruise, so we packed a lot of clothing. And so this is a great way to section off your clothing, your underwear, swimsuits, sleeping clothes. It makes packing a lot faster, especially at the end of the cruise when you're throwing everything together. Helps you keep track of what you still need to pack or get out of a drawer or something. So it makes you less likely to forget it. Next thing is going to be this adapter. These cruise ships are from all over the world. You'll never know what the plugs look like. So as long as you have one of these, you'll be able to charge your electronics. This one has an adapter for Europe. It's also got several other outlets, and of course 2 USB openings, so you can charge multiple devices. This thing was great. It really helped us out, made our lives a lot easier. Next thing is going to be a larger reusable water bottle. You cannot go to the cafe and put this directly under their water spout because it's a sanitation issue, but you can use this to get a fresh cup and fill the water in, so that way you can keep water in your room and not have to traipse up to the cafeteria all the time. The last thing, probably one of the most important things, is bring an extension cord, which we left at home. But we noticed in our room on the Celebrity Silhouette that there were no outlets next to the bed, which made charging phones and using our CPAP machine very difficult. So we actually had to use a longer cord that we happen to have with us and stretch it across the room towards the bed, which worked out fine, but it did present a slight trip hazard in our room. We just have to remember that that cord was always there. So bring an extension cord, watch out for the trip hazard, and that way if you don't have outlets conveniently located in your cabin, you can still charge and use your electronic devices. Click below on the subscribe button. We love taking you guys along on our trips and showing you guys the world and helping you guys plan your vacations. So hit subscribe. We love our subscribers, and come on back and visit us at Cruise Channel. We'll see you guys again soon.